Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WBTC3 Consultants, talking with HOA managers, school facility managers, lenders, and investors on those properties about why you want to get a capital reserve study. First of all, we deliver the clearest reports in the business, whether it's property condition assessments, environmental site assessments, capital needs assessments, construction loan monitoring, or capital reserve studies. Second of all, this capital reserve study is going to give you the ability to plan out your financial future on those properties. Third of all, it's going to improve the property value of the property you're managing. Fourth, in some states you may be required to do a capital reserve study every 3 to 5 to 10 years depending on your state. Check your local regulations. And finally, we have specialists across the nation that do this for you to make the best of your property. Contact us at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.